Hey guys, it's Rianne, and in tonight's video I want to show you guys how to give yourself a facial at home. I do this every month and this is what keeps my skin glowing, so if you feel like your skin needs some TLC, then this video is for you. So let's get into it. That's the jingle bell. The first product we're using is the Tokobo cleansing oil. You guys have seen this on my channel before and all over my TikTok because I've been using it for months now. Tokobo is a Korean skincare brand. I've worked with them in the past and I love their products. I use this cleansing oil most evenings when double cleansing, especially if I've been wearing makeup, because the oil breaks down foundation and strips all the impurities from your skin so effortlessly. You want to start off by putting some of the product in your hand and just massaging that into your face. Then when you add some water, it will become a milky texture, and just continue to massage that in. Now we're just rinsing with lukewarm water, and remember, when you're drying your face, do not use your towel. Your bath towel has no business being on your face. It is dirty and full of germs. Grab a paper towel and pat your face dry. The next product we're using is a new addition to the collection. This is the Byoma Hydrating Recovery Oil. I bought this a couple days ago to use when dermaplaning. I chose this one because one of the main ingredients is jojoba oil. I'm not too sure if that's how you say it, but it's an anti-inflammatory oil, and because we're using a blade, that's already quite harsh, so we're avoiding skin irritation at all costs. We don't have time for all that. I'm not here for any type of skin irritation, honestly. Count me out. I'm not here for it. Now we're just going in with our razor blade, and make sure that the blade you're using is sharp, because a blunt blade is going to damage your skin. When I started dermaplaning my face, that was such a game changer, and when you apply makeup as well, it just feels a lot smoother on your face. It's not just peach fuzz that you're removing dead skin cells too, so it just gives you that extra glow. Now I'm just prepping my face for a steam, so I'm going in with the Winter Hydration Set Cream Cleanser from Ordinary. So I use this every evening. This is a non-foaming cleanser, so it's very gentle on my skin, and this is just what I use to exfoliate while I'm steaming my face. Now I just sit in front of my steamer for about 15 minutes. This one is from a company called Weleda. This was a gift, so I'm not sure where my mum got it from. My mum bought this for me for Christmas about 3 years ago, and I've been using it ever since. It's never given me any problems, so I'll write the name of it in the description box down below for anybody who's interested. There are so many reasons why I love steaming my face. Of course, it is really relaxing, but besides that, it hydrates your skin and it makes it more receptive for better product absorption too. That makes your skin a lot softer and clearer. I do like to massage the cream cleanser in with my hands, but then I go in with my exfoliating pads. The ones I'm using are from Primark. Now we're going in with our Fenty Skin Fat Water. I've heard so many positive reviews about this, so I decided to try it for myself, and I love it. I love the shine it gives me. I feel like it makes me glow. Because it's a 2-in-1 toner, over time, the more I use it, it's gonna even out my skin tone. Now that my skin is well hydrated and soft, I go in with my gua sha. This is for lymphatic drainage and just boosting your blood circulation in your face and reducing any puffiness. I take this very seriously because I feel like my face looks puffy a lot of the time, and I just want to reverse that because I don't want to look puffy. Time for more Korean skincare. So this is my red bean mask from Beauty of Joseon. I picked this up the other day as well, and I've seen those people on TikTok talking about it, and I understand why now. We've already been on a roll with hydrating our skin. This was just the cherry on top, because how my skin felt after, words cannot even describe. Normally when it comes to face masks, I don't really know how to judge whether it's good or not, but this one, because of how hydrated my skin felt after, I can tell you this is a good mask. We're now coming to the end of the video, so one of the last products we're going to use is our Hyaluronic Acid Serum from Ordinary. This is also part of their winter hydration collection, and as you can see, it is definitely hydrating my skin. The reason my self-care days are so highly focused around hydrating is because the winter time dries out my skin so badly. Overall, my skin is quite dry anyway, but when it's cold outside, it just makes it even worse. And another tip I'm going to give everyone is that a skincare video alone is not going to hydrate your skin. Make sure you're drinking enough water and eat your skincare. I cannot stress this enough. And last but definitely not least, Weleda skin food. In my last video, you'd remember that all my friends were saying that one of their favorite products is Weleda skin food. That's what I use to moisturize my face, and I love the smell of it. It has like a citrusy kind of orange smell. It smells beautiful, honestly. And that brings us to the end of the video. So that is how you do a DIY facial, how you save your coins and do a facial at home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It's hot and it's wet, but you won't take it back.